I want to join your team as a Google Ads assistant. Where do I apply? I get this question at least 5, 6 times a day. Now, why should I hire you? Tell me. I don't know you. So I can't just pick somebody, as they say, off the street and start hiring people. I need to know that, yes, you do know stuff. So the way to do this, and this is for all of you, join Facebook groups, join LinkedIn, follow people, connect with people like myself, and then upload your wins, your workflows, your tips. Help people in these communities, and I am going to notice you. I promise you, we do notice you. And then I'm going to see, this guy, Deep Sagar, knows his stuff. He is always putting up some really good content, engaging content. I need to have a chat with him. And you are more likely to get that job than me going and looking somewhere else and finding that person. So you need to prove to me how good you are. Even if you're not good, I'm not saying you are, and you want to get started. Everybody has to get started from zero, but I need you to make an effort. Nobody's going to give you a job. The world is a very cruel place, my friend. Everybody looks after themselves. They are not going to dish out freebies and jobs. So make an effort. Start making. Follow me on LinkedIn. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on YouTube. Start communicating with me. Then I can see, wow, this guy is serious. He's always there, spending time trying to learn, coming to these sessions. Then I will consider you. So, but unfortunately, I not now. What I'm saying, you may not like. You may not like to hear this, but that's the actual truth. I'm going to say the way it is, not fluff of my words and say, yes, please apply, and I'm going to have a look at it and so on. I'm just going to tell you the way it is, straight up, my friend. So you don't waste your time, and I don't waste my time.